Welcome Globetrotters and adventure seekers. You've landed at JetSet Travel Hub, your one-stop destination for all things travel. Here, we're all about making your travel experiences easier, smoother, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your very first trip, we've got something for everyone. From expert tips and tricks to insider secrets, we're here to help you navigate the world of travel like a pro. So, sit back, relax, and let's get ready to embark on this journey together. Stay tuned because we're about to take off into the world of travel hacks. Are you ready to transform your travel experience? Let's jet set. Before we dive into the world of travel hacks, let's take a moment to understand what exactly a travel hack is. Picture this. You're at the airport and you've just realized that you've forgotten your phone charger. Or maybe you're struggling to fit all your clothes into a small carry-on bag. These are the moments when travel hacks come to the rescue. They are clever tips and tricks designed to help you navigate the challenges of travel with ease. Whether it's finding ways to pack more efficiently, getting through airport security without a hitch, or even scoring the best deals on flights and accommodations, travel hacks can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we'll be sharing 20 genius hacks that will revolutionize the way you travel. These aren't your ordinary tips, they're game changers. So are you ready to transform your travel experience? Let's get started. Do you love traveling but hate the hassle that comes with it? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of travel hacks. Yes, those sweet little secrets that turn any trip into a breeze. We're not talking about just any hacks. We're talking about 20 genius tips that will revolutionize the way you travel. From packing your bags like a pro, to finding the best deals on flights and accommodations, we've got you covered. Imagine a world where you're not scrambling to find your passport, or unpacking your entire suitcase just to find that one shirt. A world where travel doesn't just mean reaching a destination, but enjoying the journey as well. These hacks are designed to help you do just that, so buckle up and get your notepad ready. Because we're about to embark on a journey of smart travel. Get ready to transform your travel experience. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of packing, let's take a step back and look at what you can do before you even unzip your suitcase. Yes, you heard it right. Packing can be a breeze if you prepare for it right. Our first pre-packing hack is all about making a list. Don't underestimate the power of a well-made list. It helps to ensure you don't forget anything and keeps you from overpacking. Now, on to hack number 2, check the weather. Knowing the weather of your destination can greatly influence what and how much you need to pack. It's always wise to pack layers, but if you're heading to a tropical destination, you probably won't need that heavy coat. Our third pre-packing hack is to think about your activities. Are you going hiking, swimming, sightseeing? Make sure you pack accordingly. Don't forget about those specialty items like swimwear, hiking boots, or a fancy dress for a night out. The fourth hack is to consider your accommodations. If you're staying at a hotel, they'll likely provide toiletries, so you can leave yours at home. But if you're going the Airbnb route, you might need to pack your own. Our final pre-packing hack is to take care of your home before you leave. This includes things like setting up mail hold, adjusting your thermostat, and making sure your home is secure. By taking care of these things before you travel, you'll have peace of mind while you're away and less to worry about when you return. So get ready to pack like a pro. First on our list, we tackle the dreaded task of packing. It can seem like an impossible puzzle trying to fit all your essentials into one suitcase. But don't worry, we've got some genius hacks up our sleeves that will make packing a breeze. Hack number 1. Roll, don't fold. This age-old trick is a favorite among seasoned travelers. By rolling your clothes instead of folding them, you'll be amazed at how much space you can save. Not only that, but it also helps to prevent wrinkles. So, you can step out in style, no ironing necessary. Moving on to hack number 2, the pill container jewelry organizer. We all know how annoying it is when necklaces get tangled and earrings go missing. But have you ever thought about using a pill container to keep your jewelry organized? It's a simple yet effective way to keep your precious items safe and sound. Plus, it's small and compact, perfect for travel. Our third hack is all about the shoes. Shoes can take up a lot of space, but there's a simple solution. Stuff them with small items like socks, underwear, or even your rolled clothes. It's a great way to utilize every bit of space. Hack number 4 is for the tech-savvy travelers. Use a glasses case to store cords and chargers. This keeps them from getting tangled and makes it easy to find the right cable when you need it. Lastly, hack number 5 is the Ziploc bag solution. Use different size Ziploc bags to organize your items. You can have one for toiletries, one for underwear, one for t-shirts and so on. It's like having drawers in your suitcase. With these packing hacks, you'll have room to spare in your suitcase. So go ahead and pack that extra pair of shoes or that fancy outfit for a special night out. After all, travel is all about enjoying the journey, and with our tips, packing will be less of a chore and more of a fun pre-trip activity. All right, you've packed your bags with the help of our super handy packing hacks, but what about your travel documents and money? It's time to make sure they are as secure as possible. First, let's talk about your passport. It's your most valuable travel document, so you need to keep it safe. An easy way to do this is by using a passport cover. Not only does it protect your passport from wear and tear, but it also makes it easier to spot in your bag. And here's a pro tip. Make photocopies of your passport's identification page and keep them in separate places. This way, if you lose your passport, you'll have all the necessary information handy. Moving on to money, it's always a good idea to have some local currency on hand, but carrying large amounts of cash can be risky. Consider using a money belt or a neck wallet. These items can be worn under your clothing, making it difficult for pickpockets to reach. And remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your cash and cards between your wallet, pockets, and luggage. As for your credit and debit cards, inform your bank about your travel plans. This will prevent any surprise blocks on your cards due to suspicious foreign transactions. Also, consider having a spare card stored separately from your wallet, in case your primary card gets lost or stolen. Lastly, don't forget about travel insurance. It can cover unexpected costs like medical emergencies or trip cancellations. It's something we hope we never have to use, but it's definitely worth having for peace of mind. With these tips, you can travel with confidence, knowing that your documents and money are safe and secure. Scene script. Next, let's make the airport experience a breeze. First up, the booking process. Ever wonder why flight prices mysteriously hike up after you've searched the same route a few times? Well, it's not magic, it's cookies. Not the chocolate chip kind, but the digital ones. Websites use these to track your browsing history, and yes, that includes your flight searches. So, here's the trick. When you're hunting for flights, do it in an incognito or private browsing window. This way, those sneaky cookies can't track your searches, potentially saving you some hard-earned cash. Secondly, take a screenshot of your boarding pass. Whether you've got it on an app or in an email, having a screenshot means you can access it even when you're out of service range or your battery is running low. No more frantic scrambling for Wi-Fi when you're next in line at security. Hack number 3, always check in online. It's not just about picking the seat with the most legroom. Checking in online can save you a lot of time at the airport, especially if you're only traveling with hand luggage. Plus, it minimizes your contact with others, a definite perk in these health-conscious times. On to our 4th hack. Consider using airport lounges. These often come with a hefty price tag. But did you know some credit cards offer complimentary lounge access as a perk? Do your research. It could be worth it for the free food, Wi-Fi, and tranquil space away from the bustling airport crowds. Finally, the 5th hack is for those dreaded long layovers. Instead of camping out by the gate, check if the airport has a mini hotel or sleeping pods. Some airports offer these, and they can be a real lifesaver, making your layover a lot more comfortable. With these hacks, you'll navigate airports like a pro, and maybe even score a cheaper flight. Alright, now that you've made it onto your flight and navigated the airport like a pro, let's talk about in-flight and post-flight recovery hacks. This is crucial to hit the ground running at your destination. First up, hydration is key. The air inside an airplane cabin is notoriously dry, which can lead to dehydration, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the flight. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can further dehydrate you. Consider bringing your own reusable water bottle to fill up after passing through security. Secondly, if you're on a long-haul flight, try to adjust to your destination's time zone as soon as you board. This means sleeping and eating according to the local time at your destination. It's one of the most effective ways to combat jet lag. Thirdly, keep moving. Sitting for long periods can cause stiffness and discomfort. So take a walk down the aisle every now and then or do some simple in-seat exercises to keep your blood flowing. Fourth, pack a small travel kit in your carry-on bag. This could include items like a toothbrush, toothpaste, face wipes, a change of clothes, and travel-size skincare products. This will help you freshen up during or after the flight and arrive at your destination feeling more refreshed. Lastly, after you land, try to get outside and expose yourself to natural light. This can help reset your internal body clock and reduce the effects of jet lag. Now you're ready to take on the flight and arrive at your destination feeling fresh and ready to explore like a local. Now let's make the most of your destination. First up, let's talk about navigation. Ever found yourself lost in a foreign city with no internet connection? No worries. Google Maps can be your best friend here. Prior to your trip, download the map of your destination for offline use. This way, you can navigate seamlessly without the need for internet connectivity. It's like having a personal guide in your pocket. Next, we have the language barrier. Don't let it intimidate you. Learning a few key phrases in the local language can go a long way. Phrases like hello, thank you, where's the bathroom, and how much does it cost can be handy. Not only will this make your trip smoother, but it also shows respect for the local culture. And who knows, the locals might even share some hidden gems with you. Thirdly, be smart about your meals. Want to save some bucks and savor local cuisine at the same time? Then, try to eat where the locals do. Avoid the tourist traps and high-priced restaurants. Instead, opt for street food or local markets. You'll be surprised at the flavors you'll discover. Fourth, we recommend you to embrace public transportation. It's not only cost-effective, but it's also a great way to immerse yourself in the local life. Buses, trams, metros, they all offer a glimpse into the everyday life of locals. Plus, they're usually reliable and easy to navigate with the help of apps and maps. Lastly, remember to respect the local customs and traditions. Do a bit of research before your trip to understand the do's and don'ts. This will ensure you don't offend anyone and have a positive impact on the place you're visiting. So there you have it. 5 destination hacks that will elevate your travel experience. From navigating the streets with ease to enjoying local cuisine, from breaking the language barrier to embracing public transport and respecting local customs. These hacks will help you explore your destination like a local. Traveling can take a toll on your health, right? But it doesn't have to be that way. In this segment, we're going to tackle how to maintain your health and fitness while you're exploring new horizons. We've got a few hacks up our sleeve that are sure to make your travel healthier and more enjoyable. So buckle up and let's dive in. First, we're going to talk about staying active. It's easy to neglect your fitness routine when you're on the road, but there are simple ways to keep moving. Try to incorporate walking tours into your itinerary or rent a bike to explore your destination. Many hotels offer gym facilities, so why not use them? You could even pack a lightweight resistance band in your luggage for a quick workout in your room. Next, we'll address eating healthily. It's tempting to indulge in the local cuisine, which you absolutely should, but balance is key. Try to include local fruits and vegetables in your meals and opt for grilled or baked dishes instead of fried ones. Also, make sure to keep yourself hydrated. Then we're going to touch on the importance of rest. Amid all the excitement, it's easy to forget that your body needs time to recharge. Make sure to get a good night's sleep and consider taking short power naps during the day if needed. Lastly, mental health is just as important as physical health. Take time to relax and soak up your surroundings. Practice mindfulness and try to stay present in the moment. There you have it, folks. These are our travel wellness hacks to keep you in top shape during your adventures. Get ready to travel healthily. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into some specific wellness hacks to keep you at your best throughout your trip. Before we wrap up, let's talk about an often overlooked yet crucial aspect of travel: your health and wellness. It's essential to take care of yourself while you're on the go, so here are some hacks to keep you at your best. First, hydration is key. Air travel can be dehydrating and exploring new places can be physically demanding. Always carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. It's eco-friendly and keeps you hydrated. Second, don't forget to stretch. Long flights, bus rides, or even a day of sightseeing can leave your muscles feeling tight. Regular stretching can help prevent discomfort and keep you feeling refreshed. Third, try to maintain a balanced diet. It's easy to get carried away with new cuisines, but remember to include some fruits, vegetables, and proteins in your meals for sustained energy. Fourth, make sure to prioritize sleep. Jet lag can be a real challenge, but try to adjust to the local time zone as quickly as possible. And finally, don't forget about mental wellness. Travel can be stressful, so take some time for relaxation, whether that's reading a book, meditating, or simply enjoying a quiet moment in a beautiful location. Remember, travel is about the journey, not just the destination. Keeping your body and mind healthy will ensure the journey is as enjoyable as possible. Now, let's wrap up these travel hacks. 20 genius tips to make your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, it all starts with packing smart. Utilizing space-saving techniques and remembering the essentials can drastically reduce stress. On the flight and at the airport, Don't underestimate the power of a good loyalty program or the convenience of a digital boarding pass. These small changes can make a world of difference in your travel experience. Once you've reached your destination, remember the importance of immersing yourself in the local culture. Use technology to your advantage, but don't forget to step away from the screen and truly experience your surroundings. As we've seen, these hacks aren't just about making travel easier, they're about enhancing your entire journey. So pack your bags and take these tips with you. Now you're equipped with 20 genius travel hacks to make your trips easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Until next time, safe travels.